The POPULO 20 volts rotary tool excels at precision sanding, buffing, and cutting tasks. Its variable speed dial grants ultimate control from 5,000 to 33,000 RPM. The tool features convenient onboard bit storage on the face and underneath, allowing personalized accessory organization. With its lightweight handheld pin shaft, you'll enjoy optimal maneuverability, dexterity, and precision for intricate designs. Changing bits is effortless thanks to the spindle lock. This rotary tool is powered by the same POPULO 20 volts lithium-ion battery as other 20 volts POPULO power tools, ensuring portability and compatibility within your collection. Snow Joy Dozer Ice and Snow Scraper Tool, designed to make your winter windshield struggles a thing of the past. With its innovative 360-degree ice scraper, you can effortlessly break through icy buildup. This compact handheld tool features 6 different sides for versatile use. The articulated front-facing blades adapt to your windshield, scoring and softening tough ice. The 2.8-inch sharpened edge side scraper easily lifts away ice, while the surface scrapers remove frost and snow. The 3.3-inch squeegee brush clears sleet, slush, and debris for year-round windshield cleanliness. With high-impact teeth for concentrated cracking force, it shatters even the thickest ice. The Wolfcraft Professional Scraper is specifically designed for cleaning delicate and smooth surfaces in a professional environment. Whether it's ceramic hobs, tiles, or glass, this scraper effectively removes dirt, paint, varnish residues, and adhesive residues without causing damage. Its metal-reinforced plastic casing and ergonomic soft grip zone ensure a comfortable and secure hold. The durable metal blade guide guarantees reliable and continuous use, and it is compatible with all commercially available 38mm squared scraper blades. The special holder allows for tool-free blade changes, making maintenance quick and convenient. With its versatility and long-lasting compatibility, this scraper is an ideal choice for professionals seeking a reliable tool for years of use. The MARSHALLTOWN door pin removal tool is a top-notch tool for effectively driving and pulling pins from door hinges. With a simple hammer tap, the 90-degree pin effortlessly lifts the hinge pin up. The lift forks, precision Mach-9 for optimal performance, securely grab the pin by the head, ensuring a damage-free removal process. The inclusion of a spring steel retaining clip prevents the pin from falling and leaving unsightly stains on the floor. Additionally, the knurled grip provides a firm hold, preventing any accidental slips during use. Rest assured, this tool is made in the USA with global materials and features a rust and corrosion-resistant plating for long-lasting durability. The Bosch AXT 25D Shredder, a powerful solution for handling large-scale shredding tasks. Equipped with a robust, brushless 2,500-watt induction motor, this shredder delivers high-speed performance. The high-torque drum cutter effortlessly shreds branches up to 40mm squared thick, transforming them into nutrient-rich compost material. The automated fast-feed hopper, easily attached to the shredder's top, features a wide chute and efficiently handles large debris loads in a safe manner. With a generous capacity of up to 53 liters, the shredder collection box minimizes trips to the compost heap, allowing for faster completion of work. The resulting wood chips serve as excellent mulch, retaining moisture in the soil and preventing weed growth. The KNIPEX tile breaking pliers are perfect for precise cutting and breaking of tiles and porcelain stoneware. They are ideal for long and thick tiles, featuring a replaceable positioning jaw made from soft plastic to protect the tiles from damage. With a tenfold increase in manual force, they offer exceptional crushing power. The pliers can be easily adjusted to the required tile thickness with a simple button press. They ensure accurate cut edges, even on long and thin strips. The fine adjustment feature allows for optimal adjustment to hands and material thickness. The self-adjusting contact jaw, made from durable plastic, is replaceable for extended use. These pliers are forged from chrome vanadium electric steel, oil-hardened and chrome-plated, with non-slip plastis-coated handles. The MARSHALLTOWN 4-in-1 Painter's Clip is a versatile and sturdy tool designed for various uses. It can conveniently clip onto your paint can, bucket, or tool belt. The tool features an easy-to-use paint can lid opener, allowing for quick access to paint. It also includes a paint can rim cleaner, making it easy to remove excess paint for a clean and professional finish. Additionally, the clip is equipped with 2 magnets that provide a convenient resting place for paintbrushes, keeping them easily accessible during your painting projects. The strong clip ensures secure attachment to the paint can or bucket, providing convenience and efficiency while working. The Amprobe AT8000 series Advanced Industrial Wire Tracer is the first Cat4 600 volts wire tracer designed for industrial environments. It protects against dangerous transient overvoltage spikes up to 8,000 volts. The receiver utilizes smart sensor trademark technology to locate energized wires accurately. The Scan and Locate feature identifies the correct breaker or fuse, eliminating false positives. Embedded help screens ensure easy setup for all users. The AT8000T transmitter has 3 power modes and 2 output frequencies for optimal wire tracing. It automatically sets the signal based on voltage and prompts the user to set the power level. The AT8030 kit includes the 400 signal clamp for wire signal induction. The TOUGHBUILT 100 cross-line laser level is a versatile tool for leveling and layout applications. It projects highly visible green lines with a range of 100 ft. The self-leveling feature and out-of-level indicator ensure accurate results. It comes with a mounting clamp for easy installation. The laser level has an IP54 rating for dust and water protection, and batteries are included. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.